Mga boss, hina-highlight nga natin ang ating mga ama ngayon dahil sa Sunday ay Father's Day na. Pero itong visual artist na si Hugo Yonson, isang ama rin. Kikilalanin natin siya sa I Love My Culture.
Good morning mga boss, at ngayon darating na Sunday ay Father's Day na, kaya naman we are giving tribute to a man who contributed a lot to the Philippine visual art. Kikilalanin natin si Hugo Yonson Jr. bilang isang tatay at artist sa kanyang exhibit dito sa Cultural Center of the Philippines. A glimpse of Hugo Yonson Jr. life and works. Si Ginoong Hugo Yonson Jr. ay yumaon noong 1994. 20 years ago at binansagang Daddy Groovy kasi siya ay mahilig manamit ng loud clothes and drove a candy apple red Beetle o di kaya a metallic violet Mustang. Para makilala natin siya ng lubusan, kakapayanin natin ang kanyang mga kaanak.
Talaga namang groovy, no? Kaya kami nakapula. Kung napapansin mo, nakapula kami. Paborito niyang kulay ito dahil yung panahon na hindi pa uso, nakapula siya na polo, corduroy, so you can just imagine. Tapos hindi pa uso yung kanyang beat niya ng pulang-pula, candy apple red, tapos nilagyan niya ng mga accent na paisley, parang hippie, no? Tapos nagkaroon siya ng Mustang, ginawa niyang violet. So parang yun ang ano niya. Kung magbihis siya, para talagang hindi siya matanda.
Very unassuming. He was very reticent. He doesn't speak unless you speak to him, no? And he was really cool because everything that he does, even his clothing, even our cars, kahit yung parol namin, it was always with a dash of color.
He often makes jokes. That's why even in the siblings, we're quite a happy family. We joke a lot. So I think it has something to do from his side that we have that kind of trait.
He was a very quiet person. He worked on his own. Usually he would spend time in his studio. Most of the things that we know about our grandfather is through his art. He was extremely talented, and very versatile. If you've never heard of him, go to the internet. There's not a lot about him, but wow, he was an artist, very underappreciated during his time.
He's a very good friend. He's very kind, very generous. He is probably an uncrowned national artist. He has been nominated for the award, pero hindi nabigyan.
I wasn't fortunate enough to meet Hugo Yonson Jr. personally, the artist. Pero I could sense from his work, I could describe the impression I might get of the man and the artist from his work. Looking at his work, immediately as a viewer, appreciating his work, you could get a feeling that he was an uncomplicated man. Why? Dahil there's no second guessing about the meanings of his work. Hindi ka na manghuhula pa kung anong ibig sabihin ng kanyang mga trabaho. He depicted the lives of workers.
Naging comics illustrator si Yonson sa nobelang Sawa sa Lumang Simboryo ng Mabuhay Comics noong 1950s, at naging editorial cartoonist din siya sa Filipino Express. Isa siya sa mga pioneers ng Philippine comics. Sa mga cartoon strip ni Hugo Yonson ay ang Buhay ni Aldabes na nalathala sa Filipino comics noong 1947. At ang Dalaginding na lumabas naman sa Graphic Magazine noong August 18, 1965. And he was known for Sakay and Emoy, isang cartoon strip na unang lumabas noong 1953 and ran for 19 years in the country's #1 newspaper, The Manila Times. So bilang illustrator naman po or cartoonist, ano naman po yung pinaka nagustuhan nyo na ginuhit niya?
Well, marami. Kasi yung linya na napakaganda eh. Napaka-virtuoso niya. Parang kaya niya mag-drawing para sa local audience. Kaya niya mag-drawing para sa American audience. In fact, there was a time when he was drawing for books for Americans.
Bakit po ito yung pinaka-paborito niyong artwork?
It's not really the favorite of mine, but it is mine. And I told him, Dad, sabi ko, yung painting na bibigay mo sa akin, pakilagay mo yung mukha mo, tsaka mukha ni Mommy. So this is the only painting among his works that he has his portrait on it. Oo. Kanya mahal.
Most of the paintings, well, literally, for me, I guess the best paintings that he has was during the times, well, around the 60s or the 70s. So maybe perhaps that was the time that I remember him most for his colorful artwork.
Bukod sa cartooning and caricaturing, naging abala din si Yonson sa kanyang modern painting at photography kung saan nagwagi siya ng mga major awards sa mga linang ito. At ito ang paalala ng kanyang apo sa mga upcoming artist.
Ang mga artist, mahilig, artist ako, kaya libre ako. Pero ang lolo ko, babangon yan, may oras yan, papasok sa studio, magpipinta. Parang sundalo. It's clockwork. It was art, but at the same time, he had so much discipline. And this is the thing. A lot of artists now need to have that kind of discipline. A lot of artists now need to have that kind of versatility. A lot of artists now need to pick up that pencil, need to pick up that paintbrush. Because these are basics. And you know, I love computer work. I am very, very inclined towards that. But a lot of artists need to learn how to draw.
Yugo Yonson ay isang Filipino comics illustrator at fine artist na may malaking naiambag sa ating heritage, lalo na sa larangan ng visual arts. Sana may mga artist pa na sumunod sa kanyang mga yapak. Leilin Caragay para sa I Love My Culture.